Hey Joakim, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a shower filter. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is the SF400, which is one of the newer shower filter. And see right here they also have a new design compared to the previous one that we viewed in the past. If you guys do turn on the side, they do probably got some specs and features about the product. Same thing for this side. If you guys turn on to the back, they do show you guys the process of filtering the water when you guys do use it, and you see what's included inside. So for this one, they mentioned when you guys do use it, it's supposed to help you guys filter your water by 70% compared to the previous version was like 20 or 30%. So if you guys do think about it like the previous version that I reviewed, if you guys use two of them, it's not as powerful as this one based on what they do mention. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys do first open up, this is what the inside looks like. So they do probably got a lot of stuff inside, but let's take it all out. So they do probably got the leak-proof tape that you can use to stick on when you guys do set it up. They do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here they do provide guys a little bag with some stuff inside, but let's take it out. So they do provide guys two of these cotton pads if you guys need to use it. They provide guys two of these accessories if you guys need to replace it. They provide guys one of these accessories if you guys need to use it when you guys do set it up. And then last but not least, we do have the product, but let's take it out. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And inside they also provide guys an accessory that you put on top when you guys do set it up. But when you see the design of the product definitely looks and feels like a high quality material. They mentioned for this one in particular it's like a chrome design. So this is what the product looks like from the outside. Here is the top, here is the bottom. And if you guys look very carefully on here, they do have the brand logo. Let's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Once you guys do twist it open, this is what the inside looks like. And then here is the other side. And once you guys do take it out, this is the inside of the filter that I need to replace once you guys finish using it. So for this filter inside, it's called the SF400 if you guys need to replace it. And if you guys are curious about how long you guys should wait until you guys change it, usually I say after like 6 months is when you guys do want to change it. It really depends on how much water you guys do use and whether if you guys use really hot water or cold water. All that plays a factor in terms of how long you guys want to use it before you guys do change it. So this is what the filter looks like. Here is the top and here is the bottom. And when you guys do shake it, you can definitely hear the material that's inside. And if you guys do open up, inside we do have the little pad. So this is where you can put it when you guys do replace it. Same thing for the bottom as well. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you do want to run the product in water to make sure all like the dirty stuff or the black stuff come out first, since it is like a brand new filter. Which is basically the same step that you guys want to do for all kind of shower filter when you guys do use it, which I'll show you guys in a second. But once you guys are done, you can put it back inside and close back up. Make sure it's tight because you guys don't want any water to leak out. So now you guys are all set. So now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk about product in a second. Alright, so right here you can see I already have a shower filter all set up. And this is the previous version that I reviewed from the same exact brand. So what I'm doing right now is to take this off and put in a new one to show you guys how to set it up and how to install it. So let's take out the shower head first. And we'll put this on one side. Now let's take this out. So if you guys want to get this one, feel free to actually check it out. But let's install a new one to show you guys what it looks like. So for the previous version, I already have the tape set up, so I don't need to actually put it on. But if you guys don't have the tape, you do want to make sure you put it on to prevent any kind of leakage when you guys do use it. And also I saw this little accessory is actually still on, so I don't actually need to put this on. But now let's put it on to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys do put it on, you do want to put the white tape in the bottom to prevent it from leaking in the bottom as well. Alright, so 2 layers should be enough. If you guys notice when we do put it on, we don't have to use the accessory. But if you guys do need to, feel free to actually put it on. But now let's put it on the shower head. Alright, so we got it all set up. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys bring it up close, here is what the product looks like. So very easy and very simple for it to set it up. So now let's turn on the product to show you guys how it works and also run the water through the filter to make sure it's clean, especially if it's your first time using the product. So I'm going to face it towards the wall and then turn it on. Alright, so you see all the nasty water is coming out, which is totally normal like I mentioned, so it is a brand new filter. But when you guys do set it up, it does work and there's no leakage. And the reason why there's no leakage is because of the white tape that's on here. So you see how the water is much more clear now, but you do want to turn it off and turn it on a few more times to make sure it's clean. So when turn it off, and you gotta wait a few seconds or a few minutes before you guys turn it back on. Alright, so that should be good. Let's turn it back on. You can see how the water is still a little bit dirty because of the filter that's in, like I mentioned. So you definitely want to run it maybe like 3 or 4 times to make sure it's clean before you guys do start using it. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it does work. But this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. All you need to do is just set up the tape first, and then once you guys do that, you can screw it on. So you can see when we do test it out, if you can see how the water comes out all black in the beginning, because it is a brand new filter that needs to be cleaned. So you definitely want to repeat that same step around like 3 or 4 times to make sure it's clean before you do use it. There might still be some like black stuff after like 4 or 5 times, so you probably want to do that even more just to make sure it's clean before you guys do use it for showering. But basically the benefit of using a product is supposed to help you guys make your water much cleaner, to help you guys eliminate some of like the chlorine, the minerals, any kind of harsh chemicals or metal material. That is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality shower filter that can help you guys filter water to make it even more cleaner. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.